Welcome to another Google Mail tutorials, and in this video we are going to learn how to compose and send email messages using our Google Mail on our mobile device. And I am going to guide you the step by step you can use to send a message at an instance, and also how to schedule your message to be sent to your recipient. So let's jump right in onto our mobile device and learn how to compose and send email messages. Now this is my mobile device desktop or mobile screen, and I have this displayed interface. Now to access your email account or your Gmail account interface, let's click on the menu button on the mobile device, and we are going to have this displayed of icons, and we are going to select the Gmail icon. So you scroll to find the Gmail icon, and this is the Gmail icon on my mobile device. So let's click on it, and this will open your Gmail interface. If you are signed in into your email account, you are going to have this interface. If you are not signed in, you have to sign in with your email account so that you can get the room or space to send your email messages to your recipient. Now to check whether you have signed in, you move to the right top corner, and you are going to have your picture representation or whatever image you have used for your email account. You are going to have it positioned at the top right corner, and this is my image that represents my email account, and therefore this shows you whether you have signed in or not. So you can click on this, and when you click on this, it gives you whether you have 2 or more email accounts. Those email accounts will be displayed in this interface, and you can select any of them and sign in with your password. And I have already signed in with my email account. Therefore, the next option to follow to get your compose interface is to move to the bottom right corner, and we have this compose button. You have a once click on it, and this displays the compose interface, and you have the option to key in the recipient address, the subject of the email address, and also whatever main body or the message you want to send to your recipient. So the first option that you see is from, and this from field displays the sender's address. You are going to have your address in this field. If you have another address you want to use, you can click on this drop down arrow, and that will display the number of email accounts that has been connected to your mobile device, and you can choose any of them and send your email message. And when you come back to the to field, this is where you are going to type the recipient address. So you go to your keypads and type your recipient address. So now I have keyed in my recipient address, and the next thing that you're going to do is, when you come below the to field, we have this subject field, and this is where you're going to type the brief message about the email message you want to send to your recipient. So a simple brief statement. So I have keyed in computer technology, that is going to describe about the message that will be sent to the recipient. Now the next thing is to click in this compose email interface or window, and that gives you the option to type your message to be sent to the recipient. So I have my message type in the compose area. Now when you are done with this, the next thing that you do is to send this message to the recipient. You move to the top right corner, and we have this right arrow here, which is selected or highlighted with a blue color. And when I click on this, This is the send button that will send this message to the recipient at an instant. And if I want to schedule this email message, I can click on this ellipse button or this menu button, and this will bring out some options or menu. And the first option is schedule send. And when you click on this, you are going to have 4 options. The first one is to send it tomorrow morning, or the second one is tomorrow afternoon, Monday morning, and you also have the option to pick a date and time. So if you don't prefer any of these 3 options, you can go for the last option, which is pick date and time. You click on it, and you have this pick date and time window. You can select a date from your calendar, then you click on OK. And you also have the time this message should be sent to the recipient. You can click on the drop down arrow and choose time from this clock, then you click on OK. Then after that, you have to click on schedule send, and this will schedule this message, and when the time and date is due, this message will be sent to the recipient. So this is how to send a message or compose and send a message using your mobile device or your mobile phone. Hope this video was helpful. Please give it a like, share, comment, and if you have any other tips and tricks you can share with us, you can drop that in the comment section below, and we shall meet in our next video.